Hey besties, welcome back for another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to show you how to effortlessly achieve a gorgeous matte nail with dip powder. Let's get to dipping. Today we're going to use Gimme a Beat from Kiara Sky's Electropop collection and the brand new Velvet Matte Top Coat. To achieve this, we'll start with a normal dip application, but today, since I'm using a swatch stick and not a natural nail, I'll be skipping applying the bond and applying a line of base where the tip meets the natural nail. I'll also be skipping applying the base to 3/4 of the nail and dipping into natural powder. Instead, I'm going to start with applying the base a hairline away from the cuticle and dip into Gimme a Beat. Don't forget to dust in between dips. Next, I'll apply base to the full nail and dip into Gimme a Beat. It's time to break out the recycling system and apply base to the full nail and pour clear powder over it. I'll still liberally apply Seal Protect and let it dry. Now, I'll file and shape the nail, but since I'm applying gel over, I'll follow our rule and rough it, don't buff it. Time to grab my Velvet Matte Non-Wipe Top Coat. I'm obsessed with this top coat. Look at how smooth it is to apply. Now I'm going to cure this for a full 60 seconds. And that's it. How easy was that? If you're applying this on yourself or a client, be sure to follow this step with applying Nourish Oil to the cuticles, but be careful not to get any on your matte nail or else it'll be shiny for pictures. Thanks for joining me today, besties. Let us know what you'd like to see for the next Quick Tip Tuesday, and as always, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when we post another quick tip just like this one. Bye!